out of this morning to find some inspiration and to take some picture and get inspired from that, and I have managed to capture this view. I have returned my home, so now I will take 1 cup of protein powder and then maybe I will take some noodles, and then I will be ready for my puja outlook, and also I will paint today, so you guys can see. So guys, now I came from outside and this is my Panchami outfit, as you can see here. Today I will show you one another Durga painting, and it will be something special because in this video I am not painting on a paper or on a wall, but today I am painting on a winnowing fan. And okay, I will show you here it is. So yeah, and I will show you the full procedure. Okay guys, so to paint on this, what you need some acrylic color, otherwise you can use fabric color. You need some brushes and obviously you need some water, and that's it. But if you want to make it long lasting, then obviously you need some varnish. Okay, so by using this only you can do one superb masterpiece painting. So why you are waiting? Let's start. Here you can see, first of all I have taken here one winnowing fan and then fabric or acrylic color and one of my favorite palette, and then obviously I will take some brushes and water. Then first of all I have to make one outline of Ma Durga. Here it is, and by using pencil and ruler I have drawn this. Okay, so similarly you have to draw one Durga, then you have to paint on that. So guys, drawing part is done by using pencil and one ruler, but now it's time to paint. And you all know that to color, you all know that how much I love to paint, so obviously this is my favorite step. And guys, every brushes will be new today what I will use, because I have so much new brushes and obviously I have to use them. So today I will use 2 brushes and everything will be new. And again I will use my favorite palette to color this window fan. And friends, if you like this video, please do like, and please share this video with your friends and family, because if you like this video, then this video will get some reach. That all brushes and palette I have received as a gift previously on my birthday, and I'm using that because I really wanted to use these new brushes, that's why. Okay, so first of all, when I am trying to color this Durga, first of all I was taking that flat brushes, but that was not working in this winnowing fan. That's why I have taken one pointed brush, and then I am using dark yellow color to paint the faces of Durga. And wherever I need highlight, there I am using light yellow color. I have made this light yellow color by using a pinch of white color with this dark yellow, and it's turned out as light yellow. And wherever more highlighted needed, in that part I am using pure white acrylic color. Like this only I am painting the face of Ma Durga. You can see how I am doing. Every part I am trying to paint very clearly, and I am trying to give a life on this painting. I am trying to make it as much as possible realistic, but I don't know how will be the outcome. Maybe it will be good, maybe it will be bad, but we have to trust in the procedure. So yeah, like that only I am painting here by using yellow color. In the eyes portion here I am using white color, okay, because we all know that this color will be white, and then in that middle circle portion there will be black, but I will fill that later. Okay, so now it's time to draw some hair, it's time to color some hair. So we will take black color to color the hair. Before that I am coloring the neck portion. To color that neck portion I am taking here brown color to give some shade so that it will look realistic, it will be like a real painting or real things. So now I am coloring the hair and except the portion of earrings. Okay, you can see here how I am coloring. So here this Durga wearing one crown and sari. Okay, so this sari color also I have to do. First of all I am coloring the crown portion by using red and brown color. First of all I have mixed red color with brown, 1:2 ratio. Okay, so like that only I am coloring the crown portion. And to make a divide section between the steps of crown I am using yellow color. Okay, so first of all I am using this brownish red color flatly, like everywhere I have used this. Whenever this will be completed, after that I will make a small design, you can say I will add some detail on this crown so that it will look good, and whenever you will give some design on it, it will looks like real. Okay, now for coloring the sari, first of all I am using red color for the side portion of the sari, and the middle portion of the sari it will be white. Okay, so like that you can see here and enjoy some music also. Guys, it's almost afternoon and I need 1 cup of tea now. So here it is by my mom. Here I am drawing the eyes by using 000 brush and black fabric color. You can see here how I am drawing. Like the same way you have to try if you want to make this. And guys, if you make this, then please post your recreation on Instagram by tagging me, and I will feature your art on my Instagram. Okay, so obviously you can try. If you want to paint something, then obviously you have to try this in this puja session. Okay, so you can see here I am just drawing the upper lashes, lower lashes, then I am drawing the eyebrows by using black fabric color. And these eyebrows will not be like very much thick, it will be very much thin, so that this painting looks like realistic. And now I am painting on the third eye of Durga.
here. Here I am giving some small detailing by using red fabric, and I have to color on the lips of Ma Durga. See how I am doing this. So guys, I am really working hard to give you some entertainment, to give you some painting procedure. And guys, if you like this video, then please like this and share this video with your friends and family. Until now, if you didn't subscribe my channel but you love our videos, then please subscribe this channel. When you subscribe, I will get some motivation to create very new paintings, drawing, scribbling, everything. So you can understand that your subscription is important to us. It's very important. So please subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, then please like this and share this video with your friends and family as much as possible. Obviously you can comment in this video how it looks like, or where I have to make some improvement, or if you have any suggestion about painting tutorial in my YouTube channel, anything you can write here in the comment section, and obviously I will read that. Here you can see I am doing some small design or detailing, you can say, by using light yellow color. I have made this light yellow color by mixing white color and a pinch of yellow color. As the main portion color has been done, now we will focus on the background color. So first of all, we will use chalk blue color to paint on the background, and after that we will use yellow color, and then we will use red color to color the background. So background color has been done. That time I will draw some flower on that so that it will looks beautiful, and in the side portion also I will make some color like Vivzior, and that's it.
Hello guys, so this was the full tutorial, and if you like this video, then please do a like and do subscribe this channel, show some love to our channel, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family in this Durga Puja season, because they will also love this video and maybe they will find peace or happiness in this video. So guys, don't forget to share, subscribe and like this video, and also let me know in the comment section how it was, you like it or not. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.
Bye, we're signing off for today.
চুপ কর।
এটা এরকম না